Achieve smooth finishes on tight corners, edges, and detailed surfaces with precision sanding tools designed for control, comfort, and efficiency. Best mouse sander options deliver power, low vibration, quick pad changes, and performance for woodworking, DIY projects, and finishing tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt mouse sander. The DEWALT 20V mouse sander is engineered for users who demand cordless convenience without sacrificing professional-grade performance. Powered by a brushless motor, this sander delivers excellent efficiency and extended runtime, making it well-suited for both detailed finish work and longer sanding sessions. The variable speed control, ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, allows precise adjustment based on material type and application, whether working on softwood, hardwood, or painted surfaces. Its low-profile design is a major advantage, enabling the user to get extremely close to the work surface for improved control and accuracy in corners, edges, and tight spaces, even during extended use. Paper changes are quick and hassle-free thanks to the replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad, which ensures strong disc adhesion and consistent sanding results. Dust management is also a strong point, with a one-handed locking dust bag that captures debris efficiently while maintaining balance and maneuverability. The dust-sealed switch further enhances durability by protecting internal components from dust ingestion, extending tool lifespan. Overall, the DEWALT 20-volt mouse sander stands out as a reliable, powerful, and ergonomic option for professionals and serious DIY users who want cordless freedom, precision control, and long-term durability in a compact sanding tool.
Number 2. BOSCH ROS 20 VSC Mouse Sander. The BOSCH ROS 20 VSC mouse sander is designed with a strong focus on surface quality, control, and dust management, making it an excellent choice for fine finishing work. Its pad dampening system plays a key role in minimizing swirl marks, delivering smooth and uniform finishes on both flat and contoured surfaces. Driven by a robust 2.5 amp motor, the sander offers variable speed control between 7,500 and 12,000 OPM, allowing users to match speed precisely to the task at hand. Bosch's hook and loop disc attachment system ensures secure pad placement while enabling quick and easy disc changes. Dust collection is one of this model's standout features, with a highly efficient microfilter system capable of trapping particles as small as half a micron. The transparent twist-off dust canister allows users to monitor dust levels easily and detach it for mess-free disposal. This sander also includes a comprehensive kit with a sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, vacuum adapter, and carrying bag, adding significant value. Ergonomically, the tool feels well-balanced and stable, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The BOSCH ROS 20 VSC is particularly well-suited for users who prioritize clean work environments, refined surface finishes, and consistent performance in woodworking, refinishing, and home improvement projects.
Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Mouse Sander. The Milwaukee M18 mouse sander is built for durability, mobility, and dependable performance within the popular M18 battery platform. Designed as a random orbit sander, it provides fine, consistent sanding action that reduces visible swirl marks while improving surface uniformity. Powered by an 18-volt battery system, this sander offers the freedom to work without cords, making it ideal for job sites, workshops, and areas without easy access to power outlets. Milwaukee's reputation for rugged construction is evident in the solid housing and balanced design, which help withstand demanding work conditions. The tool is easy to maneuver in tight spaces, on vertical surfaces, and along edges. The fine grit compatibility makes it particularly effective for finishing tasks, surface prep, and light material removal. Its ergonomic design promotes comfort and control, allowing users to maintain steady pressure without excessive fatigue. Integration with the broader M18 lineup means users can share batteries across multiple tools, improving overall efficiency and cost-effectiveness.
The Milwaukee M18 mouse sander is a strong choice for professionals and serious DIYers who value cordless flexibility, reliable build quality, and consistent sanding performance across a wide range of applications.
Number 4. BLACK+DECKER BDEMS 600 Mouse Sander. The BLACK+DECKER BDEMS 600 Mouse Sander is a practical and versatile option designed for precision sanding and extended use. Its corded design ensures uninterrupted power, making it ideal for longer projects where consistent performance is essential. The compact body allows easy access to tight corners, narrow edges, and intricate surfaces, while the ergonomically designed comfort grip enhances control and reduces hand fatigue. One of its key advantages is the included detail finger attachment, which enables sanding in hard-to-reach areas that standard pads cannot access. The detail sanding pad further supports work in awkward angles, making this sander well-suited for furniture refinishing, trim work, and DIY repairs. Dust control is handled effectively through a high-performance dust collection canister that helps keep the workspace cleaner and improves visibility during sanding. The dust-sealed switch adds durability by protecting internal components from debris buildup, contributing to a longer service life. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER BDEMS 600 offers dependable power, good ergonomics, and versatile attachments at an accessible level, making it an excellent choice for homeowners and hobbyists who need a reliable mouse sander for detailed and precision-focused tasks.
Number 5. CRAFTSMAN CM-EW210 Mouse Sander. The CRAFTSMAN CM-EW210 mouse sander delivers a balance of power, durability, and user comfort, making it suitable for a wide range of sanding applications. Producing up to 14,000 OPM, it offers strong sanding performance that can handle everything from surface preparation to fine finishing. The dust-sealed switch enhances professional-grade durability by preventing dust intrusion into critical internal components. Ergonomics are a clear priority, with a rubberized grip designed to improve control and reduce fatigue during extended use. The included detail attachment allows users to reach confined spaces and intricate areas that standard sanding pads cannot effectively cover. This model is also VersaTrack compatible, enabling convenient storage and organization in compatible workshop systems. The unhook style compatibility ensures secure mounting without relying on clips, simplifying setup and storage. Its overall design supports accuracy, stability, and consistent results across wood, painted surfaces, and light refinishing tasks. The CRAFTSMAN CM-EW210 is a solid option for users seeking dependable sanding power, thoughtful ergonomics, and long-term reliability in a compact, easy-to-handle mouse sander.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.